That's right, that's for you, because you deserve a standing ovation for picking up the CAMO Drive, the deck fastening tool that will help you quickly install boards while standing. I'm sure you're itching to put your first deck down with the CAMO Drive, but let's go through a quick system meet and greet and demo first. Drive is for exclusive use with our proprietary fasteners that are designed to save you time on the job while better fastening boards. Use collated edge screws for hidden fastening, pressure treated, cedar, redwood, uncapped composites, and PVCs. Collated face screws for pressure treated and composite, and CAMO Universal Deck Clips for groove decking. To make your deck build even more efficient, pair the drive tool with the CAMO lever that straightens boards and locks them in place before fastening. Alright, time for the demo. Set up drive by installing the handle. Inserting the bit, use T15 for edge and clip fastening and T20 for face fastening, and putting the right nose piece in for your job. Attach your drill and you're good to go. To fasten collated edge screws, load up a screw strip. And straighten and lock your boards in place with CAMO lever. Place the edge nose piece in line with the joist, run the drill at full speed, apply steady pressure, but you don't need to force it. Continue to drive until the drill is fully compressed and the depth release disengages. Install a screw at every joist on that side of the board before repeating on the other side. If you're fastening collated face screws, load up a screw strip. Straighten and lock your board in place with CAMO lever. Line up the face nose piece with the joist 1 inch from the board edge. Run the drill at full speed. Continue to drive until the drill is fully compressed and the depth release disengages. Install 2 screws at every joist until the whole board is fastened. If you're fastening clips, lay out a field of boards with the clips and lock them in place with 2 to 4 levers. Starting at the outermost board, place the nose piece over the exposed screw until it's flat on the board. With pressure on the handle, run the drill at full speed, pushing it down to engage the bit and screw. Keep applying steady pressure and drive until the drill clutch releases. Then fasten all remaining clips at each joist. Easy as that. With how fast you're going to install your next deck, you'll have ample time to register your drive tool. And if you do, you'll get something pretty cool from us. Totally worth it.